In this video, I thought it would be a fun idea to show you 3 different types of acoustic guitar pickup in 3 different budgets with increasing install difficulty. I've got the LR Baggs Element preamp pickup, the K&A SG2 pickup that sits under the strings by the bridge, and the K&A HP2 humbucker pickup that sits in the sound hole of the guitar. And I'll be using my Ibanez AC340 for the comparison, as it's already got the LR Baggs Element installed. I installed it myself actually, and I'll leave a video up there for you to have a look at. I'll play the same thing back to back so that you can hear the immediate differences, and I'll be playing straight into Logic with no post effects. Then afterwards, I'll just add a touch of reverb. So let's get cracking. The LR Baggs is of course the most difficult to install and the most expensive at around $150, as it does require drilling. Not too bad if you're a bit handy though. I mean, I did it and it was my first time. Plus it's got a tone and volume control that sits under the sound hole. The SG2 is around $100, just slips under the strings of the acoustic guitar by the bridge, so all you need to do is loosen the strings, install it and then retune. It's also got a volume control as well, and the HP2 is the easiest to install. You just need a screwdriver and it sits in the sound hole of the guitar. So a little bit about each of the pickups, and these aren't all of the pickups by any stretch of the imagination. LR Baggs do all sorts of active preamp pickups, and K&A do all sorts of pickups for all types of instruments, you know, violins, ukuleles, nylon string guitars, etc. But the SG2 is made from mahogany, and it's made from tone woods that are usually reserved for instruments. You also get a cable with it, and on the cable you get a clothing clip, so you can attach that to your belt or your clothing, and then you also get a jack at the end so you can attach your instrument cable, the one that you're used to usually using. With regards to the HP1, I kept saying an HP2 in the video, sorry about that, it's the HP1. This is actually a humbucking pickup made of mahogany and made of fine tone woods again. Now, K&A also do the SP1, which is a single coil version of this particular pickup. And with regards to the LR Baggs Element, that's the VTC volume, tone and compression. So you get a volume and tone control, which just sits underneath the sound hole, and that does require a 9-volt battery as well, which I tucked just under the front of the sound hole when I installed it, and it's all in that install video, but I'll show you a couple of pictures here. So vast ranges of acoustic instrument pickups available, but these were just the ones that I had available. course there are many different acoustic guitar pickups out there, but I just thought it would be a fun idea to show you 3 that I had available so that you could see the different types of acoustic pickups that are out there.